All right, we're gonna go do the ghost. Now the ghost is a little bit more fun. It's still a beginner exercise. Remember, first one, familiarize, second, warm up, third, for time. Here we go. So around this cone, okay, now we're gonna have to go around these 2 cones, go to the outside, and then exit out. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, 9.00, almost 8. Let's try that. Warm up now for the time. So let's give it, now that I understand, around here, that first shift around that cone right there at the beginning, where you have to change direction, it's a lot like when you're about to do a figure 8. You have to change direction right in the middle. All right, 8.1. Let's see if we can get to 7. All right, for time. I don't even have to give it speed right here. Now give it some speed. Give it some speed. Let's see if it was better. 7.8. All right, much better this time. So that was the ghost. Let's move on to the next one.